So I planted 27 vegetables and herbs in a container or pot. I have 8 pots of tomatoes, which comprise of 4 different types of tomatoes. I have 9 pots or container of peppers, which comprise of 5 different types of peppers. I have 2 pots of Italian kale parsley. I have 2 container of Italian basil. I have 1 pot of collard greens, Ghanaian collard greens. I have 1 pot of corn, 1 pot of okra, 1 pot of yam. And it's fascinating, so I want to share this with you. If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips and knowledge while having fun doing it. So let me share with you the 27 containers of vegetables and herbs that I have planted, and let's dive right in. So you can see here, these are all the 27 pots or container of little garden that I have this year. They all look lovely. It took a lot of work, but I did it. So I want to share that with you. They're very easy to put together once you know what you are doing. So let's pay a closer look at what contains in every container. So here are the 8 pots of the tomatoes that I have, and in fact I have brandywine tomato, which is this one here. It's supposed to be brandywine. This one is Roma, so 2 pots of Roma tomato. And then this, when we go from here, this one is Pink Lady, so I have 2 container of Pink Lady. And then this is the beefsteak type tomato, so 2 pots of that as well. So this is 8 pots of tomatoes, but 4 different types of tomatoes makes 8 pots. Now let's take a look at the peppers that I have, and if you can see from here, so for the peppers, so I have 9 pots of peppers. There is 1 pot here, and then there is this 8, so that makes it 9 pots of peppers. So I have Hungarian semi-hot stuffing pepper, which is these 2 pots. I have medium hot block pepper, which is this 2 pot here. Then I have infernal hot pepper, and that is this 2 pots. And then I have, this is Anaheim hot pepper, and those are the 2 containers of those. Then I have this one. This is Rico hot pepper. I mean, however you can pronounce that. So that's this pepper here. Look at the leaves. They look so dark in complexion. Now let's take a look at the herbs I have. So when we move on to my herbs and another vegetable, so I have onions. So this is candy onion. There is 2 pots of that, and I used 2 different soil just to test them and see which one is going to grow best. And then I have collard greens. This is a seed, collard green seed that I planted. This is actually from Ghana. It's a seed that I brought from Ghana, and I grew it before and it did well. So I'm growing it again. I grew it last year as well. So we're going to see if this is going to do well this year as well. And then my herbs, the herbs that I have 2 pots of, this is the herb Italian large leaf basil. This is what it is, 2 pots of that. And then I have, this is extra triple kale parsley is this. So I have 2 pots of that. And then the next thing that I have, it's also vegetables and tuber. Alright, so when we look, other vegetables that I have is corn. I also have okra, and then this is yam. This is yam. It's a tuber. It grows underground. It is a Ghanaian food, so I planted that as well. And so far that is all about my 27 containers or pots of vegetables and herbs that I planted. So there you are. I planted 27 containers of vegetables and herbs. I hope this has been inspiration to you. If you are just a beginner starting to do gardening, don't do that many, just maybe 2-3 pots that you can handle so it will not be overwhelming. This took a lot of time because if you watch all the playlists, you can see it took a lot of finish just because I'm doing video. But if you are just regularly planting and no videos, then it shouldn't take you that long. It took me almost 2.5 days to finish because I'm just doing it half a day. And I was short of soil, so I have to go and buy more gardening soil. I bought more gardening soil. I bought more containers, gardening containers, because I was short. I wasn't planning to plant this many vegetables or herbs, but it just happened, and I want to plant everything. So I want to share this with you and show you how easy it is to start a garden. Me, it's relaxing to me, it's refreshing, it's exciting. It just got me excited whenever I started doing gardening. It's just the amazing way plant grows just amazes me. So I love gardening. We were farmers where I came from Ghana. We were farmers. We do a lot of farming on a vast scale. So I know a lot of gardening. We do garden eggs. Here they call it eggplant. We do okra. We do plantain, yam, cassava, cocoyam. We do onions. We do peppers, tomatoes. We have seasons that we do all this. And corn, we plant corn. I mean, it's a lot of varieties of vegetables and herbs that we plant and then tube it. And so I just want to share that little knowledge that I have with any beginner into gardening. It's simple to do. A container gardening is simpler than planting in the ground because it takes a lot. You have to bend down a lot. But if you have a container, you can sit down and just relax and plant. And then the same thing to take care of the plant, it's easy. You just want to make sure that the plant is not dried out. You don't have to leave them to dry it out. Every 3 days, check them, see how they are doing. Every morning I check my plants. It's just because I'm so overjoyed, happy to see them growing. So every day I check on them. So just every 3 days, check them. If the top is dried, give them water. Don't give them too much water to kill them. Some plant doesn't like too much. And then let it be under sun so they can grow quickly, because most of the vegetables and herbs, they like sun. So take care of them very well, and I do because they are like a little joy for me. So I like to make them really well, keep them moist. You have bounty harvest. So I'll keep you updated on our 27 pots or containers of vegetables and herbs. And then you will see how they are doing and how to harvest them, how to make them. I'll show you a lot of things. I have tips. So that's why I'm creating this channel, just to have fun, because to me it's just fun to grow. Gardening is just fun for me. It gives me something. It awakes something within me. It refreshes me, makes me wonder how this happened. How do you put in a little bit of seed into a sand and it just grew so big? So it just amazes me. So I want to share that journey with you. And if you are just a beginner, it's okay. Start 1 pot, 2 pot. Next year, add another 1 or 2, 3. And then by the time you realize, you grew your plants, you grew your flowers, you grew your vegetables all the time. And you don't have to buy that at the store. You have it planted organically for yourself, and it's healthy as well. So that's why I love gardening. And I hope this video helps you. If you want to join the beginner gardeners family, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or any tips for me, I love it. Leave it in the comment section below for me. Like I said, this is all about fun, excitement, happiness, growing vegetables. And so if you want to see how I started all these from the beginning, watch the playlist, all the playlists, and you will see from the basic how to choose your soil, how to choose your container. You don't need fancy containers to start your gardening. Very simple. You can see some of my containers are the ones that I've used years, but because I maintain them very well, they always stay well for me to use the next time. And I just add new ones to them. So I have many containers now, like 27 containers. That's a lot of gardening containers to have. So don't start small, and then as you grow, and then the soil, choose any soil that works for you. As you grow every year, you will see a different soil and then try them. Like me, I try different soil. I think I tried 4 different types of soil, and just to see which one does well. So I'll keep you updated with this gardening channel, and I hope this has been a little helpful to you, and I will see you on the journey of our growing vegetables and herbs. And I hope this has been inspiration to you. And stay healthy, and I'll see you on our update on week 1 of planting our 27 containers of vegetables and plant. And you take care. Bye bye.